everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a pack with me because I am going on a little vacation. I honestly can't even believe I'm saying that out loud because time just goes by so fast. This vacation was actually booked like a year and a half in advance because it's actually specifically for my boyfriend's brother's 50th birthday. And I just remember so vividly booking this vacation, just thinking, this is so far away. Now we're here. So what is time? I don't know. So of course, I thought it'd be fun to pack all of my beauty stuff with you guys. I'm gonna be packing my makeup, my skincare, and my hair care with you. Whenever I pack for anything, I try so hard not to overpack. And honestly, I feel like I've gotten it down to a science at this point. So I hope you guys are gonna enjoy. As per usual, let me know all of your thoughts in the comments. Hit the thumbs up button if you did enjoy today's video, and subscribe if you wanna see more videos like this, and let's get right into it. So we're gonna start off first with my makeup bag, and this is the bag that I always like to travel with. This is the exact same bag that I traveled with the last time I did a pack with me for a couple reasons. It's the perfect size, it's not too big, it's not too small, it fits everything perfectly without it being too stuffed, but it's also not excessively large. And you also can customize the inside with these little dividers. I pretty much just keep it like this. I just separate it in two, and that's good for me, but you can get really fancy and get really crazy with the dividers if you want to. So starting off first with base products, I feel like this is where I tend to go really overboard when it comes to like overpacking, because I need to stop myself from being like, I need a light, medium, and full coverage foundation and concealer just so I can cover all of my bases. I'm just bringing one, and it is going to be the Chanel Le Beige Touche de Teint Water Fresh Complexion Touch Foundation. I really don't want to bring anything finicky, and this is just such an easy foundation to use. More often than not, when I apply this, I apply with my fingers, and I kind of just like smear it all over my face, and it just always looks so good and so fresh and natural looking. I'm able to build up the coverage if I want to, but more often than not, I just kind of keep it very lightweight. I'm also nearing the end of this, and I kind of want to see if I could finish it by the end of the vacation. She is coming with me. The Drunk Elephant Bronzy Drops, another must-have for me. This has become such a staple in my everyday routine. I use these literally every single time I do my makeup. I just love the light bronziness that it gives my foundation. It also makes my foundation really nice and glowy. And there's also times where I just don't even want to wear foundation, and I'll just put this in my moisturizer, and it'll still give me like a little something to my skin without actually having to go in with coverage. So this is absolutely coming with me. You guys are going to be so proud of me. I'm also bringing just one concealer. If you watch any of my other pack with me's, normally I bring like 3, even 4 concealers, and it is the Tower 28 Serum Concealer. This has just been my favorite go-to everyday concealer. It's hydrating, it has great medium coverage, and it's honestly just perfect. So it was a no-brainer. For my powder, Kosas Cloud Set. Are you surprised? Probably not. This is just my favorite everyday powder, as you guys know. I kind of wish I had one of those mini Kosas Cloud Set powders because I feel like it would be so perfect for travel, but I have more than enough room. So speaking of little mini products, I do like to try to bring my smaller products when I travel. And there are definitely products that I kind of forego bringing because the packaging just isn't great for travel. And these tiny little baby milk makeup cream bronzers are perfect for travel. They are so small. Is it my favorite cream bronzer? Not really. There are definitely other cream bronzers that I prefer, but I do still like it. It's a great formula. I do actually like that it is more on the matte side because I am going to a hotter climate. It's nice to have more of like a matte cream bronzer. It lasts a little bit better. So that's why I'm bringing this, and I brought the shade Toasted. So cute. I am also bringing a powder bronzer. Typically, I like to bring 2 options, a cream and a powder. And I decided to go with my Hourglass Radiant Bronze Light. And the reason why I went with this is because it's a pretty glowy bronzer, and it's also pretty warm. And the Toasted shade from Milk is a little bit on like the cooler side, and obviously there's no glow to it because it's a matte cream. So I thought that this would be a perfect bronzer to complement that, where it will kind of add something a little bit different to my face. So this is more so gonna like sculpt and bronze, and this is going to add some warmth and glow. For blush, I'm also gonna be bringing a cream and a powder. For the powder, this is actually a brand new blush that I just picked up. It's from MAC, and it's called Flirting with Danger. It's one of their mineralized blushes. It's a reddy coral, and because it's a mineralized blush, it has a lot of beautiful glow to it. Look at how stunning this color is, and look at that swatch. It's the most beautiful, like corally red. I've never heard anybody talk about this shade. It really just caught my eye when I was in store. As you guys know, I've been loving more like red tone blushes. It's like my go-to type of color lately, and this is just gorgeous. I did put it on today for the very first time, and I love, 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 love how it looks on the cheeks. It's a little bit more intense than I expected. I thought because it's a mineralized formula, it would be a little bit more subtle, but it definitely packs a punch. So I just had to kind of be a little bit careful when applying it. But oh my God, I love this and I can't wait to wear this on vacation. I'm also going to be bringing the Say Dew Blush in the shade Chili. I just picked this up during the Sephora savings event, and I've been wearing this every single day since I got this in my life, and I gotta say, I love it. It's more of a cool toned mauve color, so very different vibe to the MAC one. So I wouldn't wear these together because I don't really feel like they would complement each other very well. It's nice to be able to have two options for just two different types of colors depending on what I'm feeling on that particular day. For my highlighter, I'm going to be bringing my Katie Jane Hughes Hyper Shine Light Pigment in Light Gold. This is the most beautiful glossy, glowy highlighter. I love a good glow as much as anybody, but I'm just not highlighter obsessed, and this has kind of made me highlighter obsessed. It gives such a naturally glossy look to the cheeks, and I just love it. Katie knocked this product out of the park, and I love how small it is too, so perfect to travel. I forgot to mention these. I should have mentioned these first. These are 2 SPFs that I'm putting in my makeup bag for no other reason other than I just feel like that's where I want them to go. For the 2 face SPFs that I'm going to be bringing with me, the Agent Nature Holly Sun Dewy Tinted Skin Drops are amazing. This is a tinted SPF and it's an SPF of 50. This doesn't necessarily have coverage, but it does have a very light tint to it. So it will add a little bit of like evenness to the skin, which I love. Perfect for going to the beach when I don't want to put makeup on, but I still want like a little something on my skin. This is just perfect. And then for a non-tinted SPF, this is the Solara Guardian Angel Super Peptide Sunscreen Milk, also SPF 50. Love. I'm keeping it quite simple for eye products. When I'm on vacation, I really just don't do much with my eyes. Like the most I'll do is add a little sparkly eyeshadow and maybe a winged eyeliner. Normally I just kind of focus on my skin, so I don't like to go too crazy in the product department. I am gonna bring a little mini eyeshadow palette just because it doesn't take up that much room and it's nice to have. This is a new eyeshadow palette from M Cosmetics. It's the Divine Skies eyeshadow palette in Saturn's Return. Such a pretty little collection of shades here. Great neutrals, really beautiful shimmery shade that I can see myself definitely just like plopping on my lid. This really has everything that I need, so I thought it was perfect. This is the only part of my makeup bag that's slightly excessive. I am bringing 2 of the same mascaras actually, just in 2 different colors. This is the Tower 28 Make Waves Mascara in Jet, which is the black, and then Drift, which is the brown. Oh my God, I'm so happy that they finally came out with a brown version of this mascara. As you guys know, it's like my favorite product of the year practically. We're gonna bring both. And then lastly, I'm also bringing a black liquid eyeliner, always good to have. This is my Colleen Rothschild Jet Black Precision Liquid Eyeliner. It's just what I've been using lately. Brows, keeping it super simple. I'm just gonna be bringing my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in 2.75 and my Milk Makeup Lamination Brow Gel, which is just a clear brow gel, has nice hold. It's what I wear every single day. The lip department is the one place where I kind of allow myself a little bit of excess because if anything, the lip really is what I find changes the whole vibe of a makeup look. First things first, we need the basics. Nude Sticks Hydropeptide Lip Butter. This is just a really nice moisturizing lip balm. For my more neutral options, I'm actually bringing a lot of MAC products. My first instinct is to always go through my MAC collection and just choose some colors that catch my eye because they're just great go-tos. So I'm bringing Brick Through. It's a bit of like a corally, pinky, neutrally nude color. It's nice. I'm also taking Velvetetti 2.0, which is a classic, one of my favorites. It's just a little bit more neutral, just good to have. And then I'm also going to be bringing my MAC Squirt Plumping Gloss Stick in Lower Cut. Wearing them by themselves or layering it, they're just very glossy. And this color is a nice like cool toned nude. I'm also bringing another one. This is the shade Heat Sensor, which is a brighter red and it just has a little bit more color. Why not? It's kind of like a glossy version of Brick Through. Lipsticks don't take up that much room, so I'm fine with it. I am bringing 2 reds because I have been loving red lips lately. As would be expected, I am bringing my Taylor Swift red lip. This is the Elson 4. Beautiful blue-based liquid lip. And then I thought it'd be fun to bring another MAC lipstick. This is the Locked Kiss lipstick in the shade Gutsy. This is more of like an orangey red. Very different from Elson 4. So that's how I'm justifying bringing it. And then I wanted to bring just a clear, super glossy gloss. So I went with the Milk Makeup Odyssey Lip Oil Gloss in clear. It's actually what I'm wearing on my lips. This is great just to kind of wear on its own, layered with a lip liner, or to layer on top of really any of the other lip products. And then lastly, for the lip products, I'm bringing 3 different lip liners, all for Makeup Forever from the Artist Color Pencil collection. We have Wherever Walnut and Endless Cacao, which is great for the nudes. And then I'm bringing Up and Down Tan, which actually works really well for the reds. Last but not least, a setting spray. This is a little mini setting spray from Charlotte Tilbury. It's the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Works great for locking in makeup, very necessary, that's going in there. Then for brushes, I'm also keeping it pretty simple. We have the MAC 270S, which is a concealer brush, the MAC 170S, which is my foundation brush, Lunar Beauty number 5 brush, which is great for setting, my blush brush from Refer, the number 5. Got 3 eye brushes here, Spectrum number 10, Smith 235, and then the MAC 217, and then a bronzer brush. This is another Lunar Beauty brush in number 6. And of course, we are also bringing my beauty blender. I need to clean it, so don't look at how dirty it is, but I do like to keep it in a little pouch. And then the last thing that I'm bringing in here is a little mirror. This is something that I always regret not bringing, and this is great because it actually lights up. And that is all of the makeup. Hoping I didn't forget anything, but I'm pretty sure I've got it all covered. Let me know if you think I did in the comments. So now let's get into skincare, hair care, and a little bit of body care. Now normally I will use like 3 different bags to separate all of the products. This time I'm not doing that. It just kind of becomes a lot. There's like a lot of bags involved. And I recently got this bag actually in PR from Vivier. And this bag is honestly incredible because it's not that big, but it fits so much stuff, and I really like that it has a little bit of structure to it, even though it is like a softer bag. It's just great, and it fits literally everything. So let's start off first with all the hair products that I'm bringing. So as most of you know, my hair is curly naturally, and typically when I'm on vacation, I like to let my hair just do its thing and not really worry too much about it. There will be some nights that I will probably blow dry my hair because that's just what I like to do. But I would say probably most nights I'm going to be letting my curls free. So that means I need to bring products for both my curly hair and also for when I do want to wear my hair straight. And I actually have a new product that kind of works for both, which is wonderful. This is another product that I got during the Sephora savings event. So I just mentioned this very recently. It's the Day Cactus Fruit 3-in-1 Styling Cream. I've used this a couple times since getting it, and it is incredible both for curly hair and also for when I blow dry my hair straight. I actually just blow dried my hair like right before coming to my office, and I used this in my hair when it was wet. I find that my hair looks really nice and smooth and shiny, and if you watched my haul video, then you also saw me use this as a curl cream, and it works amazing as a curl cream as well. So that's why I felt like it was a no-brainer to bring this. I'm also bringing my Pattern Curl Gel. Honestly, it's maybe not my favorite curl product, but a lot of my curl products are like this big. I am bringing a lot of full-size products. I would have preferred not to, but I just don't have smaller versions of a lot of these products. And I'm honestly okay compromising a little bit and not bringing like my absolute favorite products because they're ones that just make more sense for travel. And this makes more sense. It's a fine curl gel. It's just not my absolute favorite. I actually haven't tried it with the Day styling cream, so maybe I'll like it a lot. We'll see, because I always use cream and a gel together. Oh, also, I'm still on the Day styling cream. You can also use this on dry hair, which is great, especially if you want to do like a slicked back style. A lot of people like to use this product for that, which is wonderful because I love a slicked back look when I'm away and I don't really want to like worry about my hair. So I'm definitely going to use that for that purpose. And you can also use a little bit of this to kind of add some shine and tame frizz on dry hair as well when my hair is blow dried. For shampoo and conditioner, I am bringing my Orbe Hair Alchemy Resilience Conditioner and the Shampoo for Beautiful Color, also from Orbe. I'm bringing these because they are deluxe minis. This is not my favorite shampoo. I actually wanted to bring another Orbe shampoo that is really great, but the bottle's just too big, so it's fine. I'm just gonna bring this. It's just a great size to travel with. I do really like this conditioner though, so that's wonderful. It's a perfect deluxe sample, and by the end of the trip, I'll probably be like just finishing it. I'm also bringing a little mini Orbe Superfine hairspray. Let's talk skincare. For cleansers, I am bringing my Holly Frog Cashmere Water Lily Nourishing Refreshing Milky Wash. This is a really nice, very gentle, creamy cleanser. I'm honestly bringing this because it's the smallest cleanser that I have in my collection. Just logistics, you know, but it's a great cleanser. I do really like this. And I like that it has a locking mechanism, so it's not gonna explode all over my products. Hopefully not, at least. Cleansing balm to remove my makeup. This is the Then I Met You Living Cleansing Balm, one of my favorites. For my eye cream, I'm going to be bringing my Stratia Liquid Gold Eye Cream. This is actually a brand new product that Stratia just released, and I love it so far. You guys know how much I love the Liquid Gold moisturizer. So excited to see that they came out with an eye cream, and so far my under eyes are enjoying it. This guy has lasted me through so many different vacations. This is the Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant. I love exfoliating my face. I feel like it's really necessary for my skin, so this is something that I cannot skip on. This is a product that I want to try out while I'm on vacation, because why not? This is the Tower 28 SOS spray. I have not tried this product, and I feel like I absolutely should, because this is apparently really good for eczema. I have been dealing with eczema flare-ups lately. They've come, they've gone, they've come, they've gone. Right now, they are here. And I haven't tried this product, and I'm wondering if it will help me. So I'm actually gonna start using this tonight. The last skincare product that I'm gonna be bringing that I just cannot not bring with me, because I use this every single day and it's just such a staple in my routine right now, is the Ven Symbiotic Defense Mist. This is a treatment essence mist that I spray on my face in the morning and at night before I apply my moisturizer, and it just does a really nice job of calming down the skin. Oh, sorry, one more skincare product, my moisturizer. I'm going to be bringing my Vivier Derma V Repair Cream. Nice and lightweight, but it still is super hydrating. Now let's get into body care. I am actually missing my body lotion, so just know that I will be including that. I just need to find a body lotion that is not this big. I don't know where my travel size versions went, so I need to do a little bit of digging, but just know that will be making its way into this bag. Besides that, I am also bringing a body exfoliator. This is the Necessaire exfoliator. Just helps to keep the skin looking and feeling nice and smooth. Deodorant, very important. This is the Agent Nature Holly Stick. It's so funny because I tried this years ago and really did not like it. I felt like it just did not work for my body. And I recently tried it out again after running out of my deodorant, and I love it. It works to a T, works perfectly. Very effective deodorant. I really like it. So that's obviously coming with me. For perfume, I always like to bring a small little travel size, and I kind of just take whatever I have, but I'm pretty excited because this is a brand new perfume that I haven't even really worn yet. It's from Diptyque and it's called Oh Rose, and this came in a little gift set with a bunch of different Diptyque perfumes, and this was the one that I liked the most. I also kind of like the fact that I haven't worn this yet, because now I feel like whenever I do wear this outside of my vacation, it will remind me of the vacation and hopefully be attached to some really nice memories. Now onto the miscellaneous hair items that I'll be bringing with me. We've got lots of hair ties. I'm bringing 2 normal hair elastics, 2 scrunchies, a scrunchie bungee, which is fantastic because this thing does not move from your hair, and you can get a really, really tight situation going on with this, and it does not damage your hair at all. Of course, we got a claw clip. I'm also going to be bringing a headband because I've become a headband girly. And then last but not least, 2 hairbrushes. We have a smoothing boar bristle brush and then just a normal tangle teaser. Would you believe that all the products fit so well in here? And there's room to spare. Like, what? Crazy. The best bag. I love it. Oh, body sunscreen. I completely forgot to mention that. I am obviously bringing body sunscreen with me. I just didn't have any more, so that's something that I need to pick up. And with that, those are all of the beauty products that I am bringing with me on my vacation. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, let me know all of your thoughts in the comments and hit the thumbs up button if you did, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.